Apollo 17 Panorama, Station 8. This panorama was collected by Jack Schmitt. Gene Cernan is near the rover picking up the Traverse Gravimeter experiment, TGE, to stow it on the rover. The object in the foreground is the scoop Jack has planted while he takes the panorama photographs. For special sampling tasks, Cernan used the tongs effectively and Schmitt used the rake. The Lunar Module Pilot Auxiliary Staff, used for mounting maps, and the Lunar Roving Vehicle Sample Bag, both worked as planned and fitted the desired position exactly. The rover sampler met all requirements for utility in sampling from the rover, and in auxiliary sampling while walking in the areas of ALSEP. The dust brush was probably one of the most often used pieces of equipment. It was employed on the rover thermal surfaces and reflectors, for cleaning the television camera lens, and by both crewmen to minimize the dust carried into the cabin. The geopallet was used as planned for the first two extravehicular activities. By the start of the third extravehicular activity, most of the moving parts of that pallet had begun to bind because of dust permeation along interfacing surfaces. Apollo 17 Panorama, Station 8B. This panorama was taken by Jack Schmitt at Station 8. Gene Cernan is in the distance collecting a set of panoramic photographs. Double Ackerman, fore and aft steering greatly enhanced the maneuverability of the vehicle when negotiating craters and rocks. The acceleration was about as expected, with a slightly lower average speed, possibly because of the heavier loaded rover on this mission. Slopes of up to 20 degrees were easily negotiated in a straight-ahead mode. While climbing such slopes at full power, the vehicle decelerated to a constant speed of 4 to 5 kilometers per hour. Coming down these slopes, the vehicle was operated in a braking mode with no indication of brake fading, or feeling that the rover could not be controlled. Side slopes were negotiable, but not necessarily comfortable. During the second and third extravehicular activity, familiarity with the rover, both in riding and in driving, allowed the crew to go places and negotiate side slopes that engendered a great deal more caution during the first extravehicular activity.